Here are 5 amazing tools that can take your web design to the next level. Framer. This incredible tool allows you to create a fully functional website in less than 2 minutes. Its intuitive interface and powerful features make web design quick and easy. GetResponse. Known for its robust email marketing capabilities, GetResponse also offers powerful website building tools, helping you create attractive, high-converting landing pages effortlessly. Sidekick AI, perfect for creating beautiful landing pages without needing any coding, design, or copywriting skills. Sidekick AI simplifies the entire process, enabling you to focus on your goals. Make Landing AI. With Make Landing AI, you can craft stunning landing pages in seconds. It's a perfect solution for marketers looking to quickly create effective landing pages. Create Website. This tool isn't just about making websites, it's about crafting powerful, lightning fast digital experiences. Create Website combines speed with advanced functionality to deliver an exceptional user experience. These tools are designed to save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what really matters, growing your business and engaging your audience.